This is a little demonstration, 2006 BMW R1200S. This is a standard exhaust. I've got an Akrapovic exhaust I'm going to stick on it. This is what it sounds like before. It takes about probably an hour to stick this exhaust on, so show you the rest later. Right, so it's all disassembled. Pipes are over there, pieces over here. This is what it looks like. I'll give you a closer look. Take off the two tail pieces, the exhaust and the tail light, the license bracket. That's the tail light actually. Two side pieces are gone. Everything just comes apart easily. These two here pieces, they came out of here. They held up the exhaust itself. It's kind of tricky to get out because they're sticky. They're like rubber, you know, they don't want to come out. The pieces in common. We've got the oxygen sensors there, and some common nuts and bolts go into it. Exhaust ports are open, and here's some pieces. Got some sealant, pipe sealant, nuts and bolts, pieces that go onto the exhaust out of the heads there. That's the Akrapovic exhaust itself. It's dirty because it's used. That's all the pieces, the springs that hold it all together. This here piece is in common with that one, and that's what holds it up underneath on that pin right there. Here's the other exhaust. That's the stock exhaust, the catalytic converter, and the end piece. Two springs hold it together there. Inside here, this is the crossover pipe. You can see the size of the hole in there. It looks like 8 mil, 10 mil, something like that. Probably 3/8 of an inch, a little bit bigger. Yeah, okay, now let's all just put it back together. Okay, it was about an hour and a half, probably because I've done it before. And yeah, it's all ready to go. All the pieces are back together. Just wanted to show you some of the tools you have to use. Just joking, I didn't need all those tools. Just some basic hand tools. And the most unusual are these star-shaped, six-sided. Need a selection of those to get some of the body panels off, some of the screws. And let's see how it runs. A little bit deeper sound, just a touch louder, but the design of the exhaust, it's so much wider all the way through, and there's no catalytic converter, so yeah, a bit more street credibility, I suppose. That's how it goes.